you all? Hope all are fine. Yes. Okay. Shall we go through our daily routine? Yes. No. Yes. What and all you have to do? Early you have to get up in the morning. Then take a bath. Brush your teeth twice in a day. Cut your nails once in a week. Trim your hairs once in a month. Then wash your nose, eyes, then mouth and ears with a clean water. Then ears you should clean with earbuds, but you need to take off the help of your mama. Yes, no? Then tongue you need to clean with tongue cleaner. With this, these are all cleaning of our body parts. With this, what you have to do? Yes, you have to keep your body healthy from inside. How you can keep your body healthy from inside? By doing small exercise or yoga. From the day first, I am telling you, we have to do yoga or small exercise. Where you get this exercise? You go to YouTube or you can see the little app where the description of the particular yoga is given, like chair pose, butterfly pose, bending of your wrist, necks and all they are given. Just you go through that, see that and do some small exercise. Don't do any difficult one. You do very simple one. Okay children, you will all do know? Yes? Yes, very good. Now, shall we move to our online class? Yes. Today is Thursday. The date is 24 September. Okay, today is Thursday. Kannada means Guruvara. Yes, no? Yes, shall I start? Yes. Okay. Yesterday, first is our English. Okay, first is our English. Yesterday what we learned? Yesterday what we learned? The set of GH, JK. Now the beginning consonant of letter, okay, L, M and P, okay, L, M and P, okay, the beginning consonants of L, M and P, okay. First we will see the letter L. L make a sound L. L make a sound L. What are those? Leaf, lotus, lion. Okay, leaf, lotus, lion. It will make a sound L. Leaf, lotus, lion. L is the first letter. L will be the first letter. So this is called the beginning consonant. Next is M. M. Okay. M for monkey, man, then mango. Yes, M. The letters starts with the words start with the letter M are monkey, man, mango. Yes. M make a sound M. M make a sound M. The next one is N. N make a sound N words are nest, net, nine. N. M, N. The next one is what? P. P for pen, pick, pen, pick, pineapple. P, the words starting from P is pin or pen, pick and pineapple. Now what we learn? The beginning consonants of L, M, N and P. L, M, N and P. L make a sound L, M make a sound M, N make a sound N and the P make a sound P. The words of L are leaf, lotus, lion. The beginning letter of M words are monkey, man, mango. The words of N letter is nest, net and nine. The words which starts with P is pen, pick and pineapple. Okay, only not this much words. You can find out so many words with the same letters. But what is the beginning consonant means? The letter which will start from the first. Okay, this is called the beginning consonant. Yesterday we learned the first and second set we learned. Today is our third set. Third set of beginning consonants. Okay, what are those? L, M, N, P. Okay. For this, the homework is reading readiness book. You all have know that reading readiness book, RR book. In that the page number is 7. Page number 8. Okay, page number 7 and 8. What they given there? Just we will look into that. Circle the letter for the corresponding picture. Okay, you just see the picture. For example, in the third picture they are given nose. N means the letter will be N. Very good. Next one is complete the word with corresponding beginning consonant. The second one is mask. M means M, like that. In the page number 8, the first activity is match the beginning consonant sound of each picture to the correct letter. Okay, how you can match? The first one is mug. Mug means M. Second one is parrot. Parrot means the starting letter will be the P. Color the picture that begins with M sound. M make a sound M. Here they give a leaf and mango. Just you find it out and color the particular picture which starts with the letter M or sound M. This is all for English. Now we are moving to our next class, that is mathematics. Now we will go to our maths class. Yesterday what we learned? Yesterday what we learned? Number sticks on addition. Addition on number stick, right? Or strip. Okay, what is that? What is that? One example is 7 plus 3 is equal to how much? Do you know what is that? No. We'll see on our number strips. First, we need to draw one straight line like this with open arrow. From there, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is our number strip. Correct, no? This is our number strip. What is our question? 7 plus 3. We should see 7 plus 3 is how much. Okay. What I have to do? First I have to recognize my first number on the number line. What is that? 7. Where is the 7? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I will circle the 7. Okay. From there, I need to jump 3 times. How many times? 3 times. 3 times. Okay. I'll start 7 to 8, 1 time. 8 to 9, 2 times. 9 to 10, 3 times. 2 times, 3 times. Jump 3 times. Yes, you need to jump 3 times. Yes, no? From 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is my first number. From there, I need to jump 3 times forward. Okay? You should go front. Andre neevu munde hogbeku. Forward. You need to jump forward. Okay? That is jump 3 times forward. 7, 8, 9, 10. The 10 will be your answer. Okay? Yes? Yes. I have some sheets. You can also see. Do you also have some sheets, no? In that we will do another one example. The second example is 3 plus 3 is equal to how much? Okay? Now I have to write my number line. How I will start? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? This you can write in the number line. Okay, from 0 to 10 you are written. My first number is what is my first number? 3 plus 3. My first number is 3. You need to circle there. Okay, from there you need to jump how many times? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. From the first number we need to jump 3 times. The answer will be the 6. The answer will be 6. Jump 3 times. Okay? You all understood, no? Yes. To make you simple, what you have to do? You draw any picture here. I am drawing one man picture. Okay? Consider that man is jumping from 3 times towards front. That is forward. Okay? He is jumping forward. Yes, no? This is called the addition of number strips. Yes? Yesterday also I completed one worksheet. Today's homework is number 38. Okay, the first homework is the number 6. Oh, sorry, maths workbook, page number 38. What they given addition? A jar has 1 chocolate and another jar has 2 chocolates. How many chocolates do they have in all? Means you need to add. How can you do? Just you open one jar. How many chocolates are there? 1 chocolate. In the second jar, how many chocolates are there? 2 jar. Now you count together. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Totally 3 chocolates. Okay, in one jar. That you can do. Like that. In the second one, they are given try and add by yourself. Okay, they are given some additions. First, if you want, you can draw number stick for separately for the all these sums are you draw only one number stick and use different colors of sketch pens or crayon to make the different kind of jumpings or markings on that. Okay, this you can do at home. Okay, it's a maths work, page number 38. With that, there is some additional UKG math worksheet 4 and 5. You all have this one. You can take one printout of these two worksheets 4 and 5 at home, and you need to do solve these sums. Additional worksheet 4 and 5. Okay, this you need to do at home. Worksheet adding on number line. Worksheet 5 adding on number line. This you need to do. This is for today's maths. Hope you all understood the maths session, right? It's a adding on number steps. Addition should be in the forward. The given number should increase. Always it will increase. Okay. Now we will move to our EVS class. Now we are moving to EVS class. It's our general science. Okay, it's our general science. What is that? We learned about our family, me and my family. Then what? About ourselves. Okay. Now we are going to our my body. In that, what you learn? The importance of our body and the 5 sense organs. Yesterday you learned, no? In our first and second class. Correct. Now today what we will do, no? You all have your what? Tell me more book B. In that you have to open the page number cleanliness and health. Okay, that is in the page number 42. Okay, page number 42. Okay, cleanliness and health. What do you mean by that? Cleanliness means keeping yourself clean so that you can be healthy. What are they given here? Wake up early in the morning. I told you should wake up early in the morning so that you get the time to do all your daily routine. Start with exercise. Brush your teeth twice in a day. Why you have to brush your teeth twice in a day? And when? You have to brush your teeth when you wake up, and again you have to brush your teeth before sleeping, because the germs will attack in this interval. That's why you need to brush twice in a day. And after every your meal, you need to wash your mouth cleanly. Okay? And take a bath every day. You need to take take a bath every day. Why you need to take a bath every day? Because the sweat organs on the pores or sweat pores on our skin will get dirty from outside pollution and all. So you need to take a bath every day. If it is in summer season, you need to take a bath twice in a day. Okay. Next, wipe with a clean towel after a bath. After taking bath, you should wipe your body with a clean towel. Okay. Wear clean clothes. Correct? No, you should wear the washed iron clothes so that you look very pretty. Comb your hair neatly. Once in a month you need to trim your hairs and you should comb your hair neatly. Cut your nails regularly. Once in a week you need to cut your nails. Otherwise the dust will collect below the nails and once you eat it will go inside you and make you unhealthy. Eat good food. What do you mean by good food? It's a healthy food like cereals, milk products, then pulses, nuts, then vegetables, fruits, etc. You can eat the junk food once in a week. That's not a problem. Drink boiled water every day. You need to drink the boiled water because it's a rainy season and in winter season you may attack with cold. So you need to drink boiled water. In that the bacteria will be killed. Play in a open air. Always telling to you that in a day or 2.5 hours or 2 hours you need to expose yourself to the outside climate. It may be cold or it may be sunny. You should go out and play in a open air so that your respiratory system will get purified from in and out. Okay. At the night you need to sleep early. Sleeping from night to morning, the interval or duration should be 8 hours. It makes your brain very active and helps in the growth of your physical body also. Okay children, you all understand about your body and important things, you should wash your hands regularly, oftenly, because the germs collected on or virus collected on the ants will intake with your food. That's why you need to wash your hands thoroughly with lots of soap and hand washers. Okay. The homework for this is homework is your internet book, plain side, stick pictures of habits. What I taught you, like taking bath, you can draw or paste. Okay. Early to bed, early to wake up, or eating healthy food, like that. Pictures if you get, you can stick. Otherwise, try to draw. That's not an issue. Okay. Another one thing, you have to write. Take care of my body. Heading. Okay. This is for the homework for the EVS. With this, our last session is the Hindi. Okay. You all know about the Hindi, right? You are aware of that. Okay, we are moving to our new letter. That is A. A means big letter in Hindi. A. A say arm. Aag. Aag. Then there they have given few words that you go through that and learn this letter. Already we learned the small letter A. Now we are learning the big letter A. Okay, the homework for this in the practice book. Page number